Hello and happy day. Have you reminded yourself to slow down today, to reduce the noise, to listen? My name is Igor S.F. Walker, and I am here to remind people to slow down, to reduce the noise, to walk their lives into a natural flow. Welcome back to the Book of the Week series. Every week, as I read another amazing title, I share it with the world. Today, we look at power versus force by David Hawkins. What a beautiful new distinction to discover. Power versus force. Finding this new understanding that force always moves against something, whereas power does not move against anything, as it is the source. It opened me up to a whole new level of understanding and awareness of what I was doing and how I was going about it all wrong. I used to force. I sure did. And a lot too. I used it in conversations. I used to force my opinion on others. I used to force my own beliefs. And I did it to force others to change their behavior so that I can feel better about myself. It's as if I did not have awareness, and as if I did not have an understanding that I do have the power to change myself, regardless of what they do. It was like I was unable to transmute the knowledge of what power truly is. And I was actually trying to force this transformation to happen. I was moving against the old with force instead of using my power to create new. Power actually energizes. It gives forth. It supplies and supports. It gives life and it gives energy. Force, on the other hand, is to be justified. It constantly consumes, and it also has an insatiable appetite. Power attracts and force repels. I was actually allowing myself to be eaten alive by force. I'm now reminded, and I recognize how I can be actually fed by my power. This book is another amazing story about discovery of truth, and it is simply a must-read. Hawkins takes us into a realm of consciousness and kinesiology and uses it to actually measure and calibrate truth. How amazing is that? Do you use force? What is your power? How do you determine truth? And are you aware that truth always resonates with the essence of who you are? We actually have the ability to detect falsehood and what is destructive, as our consciousness makes our body physically weak. Power actually energizes. It gives forth. It supplies and supports. It gives life and energy. Force, on the other hand, has to be justified, constantly consumes, and has an insatiable appetite. Power attracts, force repels. If you have enjoyed this video, please do like it, share it with the world, subscribe to my channel. You can find a direct link to this book in the description below. Get it, read. Thank you. Love and respect.